Pleasant evening to everyone. Welcome to Tenimax. I am moving to example 3.4. What is the question? Find the sum of the squares of the roots. The given basic equation. Solution: ax to the power 4 bx cube cx square plus dx plus e is equal to 0. Sum of the square. Sum of the square means the roots are alpha comma beta comma gamma comma delta, means we have to find out the sum of the square. Sum of the square means alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. Okay. So what is the basic general term for degree 4 means a1 x to the power 4, then a2 x cube, then a3 x square, a4 x, a5 is equal to 0 means what is the main condition? The leading coefficient a1 not equal to 0. Then each and every term divided by a1 means x to the power 4, then a2 by a1, then this is a2 by a1 into x cube, then a3 by a1 into x square, then a4 by a1 into x, constant a5 by a1 is equal to 0. What is the meaning of a2 by a1? a2 by a1 means summation of alpha. Alpha means sum of the roots taken one at a time. This is called alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. Second one, a3 by a1. a3 by a1 means summation of alpha beta. Sum of product of the roots taken two at a time is equal to alpha beta, then beta gamma, then gamma delta plus alpha gamma, then alpha delta plus beta delta, isn't it? Beta delta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will come. Next one, a4 by a1. So a4 by a1 means summation of alpha, beta and gamma. That is called the sum of product of the roots taken 3 at a time. 3 at a time means alpha, beta, gamma, then alpha, beta, delta plus beta, gamma, delta. Last condition, alpha, gamma, delta will come, isn't it? Alpha, gamma, delta. Last one, a5 by a1. a5 by a1 is equal to, so a5 by a1. a5 by a1 is equal to, taken 4 at a time. Taken 4 at a time means summation of alpha, beta, gamma, delta means alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Okay, each and every one the starting, this is called plus means minus, plus minus means this is minus, this one plus, this is minus, this is plus, isn't it? So now listen very carefully. The last consider of the term positive. This is we need, isn't it? This is negative of the term. So negative of the term means what is our main term? This is plus, isn't it? This is plus. Last condition, a5 by a1 is equal to, a5 by a1 is equal to summation of alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. This is what is the meaning? Plus minus, minus, plus minus, last condition, this is plus, isn't it? But what is the given roots? ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is equal to 0. This is also leading coefficient, always a is not equal to 0. Again divided by a means what will happen? x4 plus b by a into x cube, again c by a into x square plus d by a into x, d by a into x plus e by a is equal to 0. So now comparing b by a, what is the meaning? Sum of the roots taken one at a time. Sum of the roots taken one at a time means this is called minus b by a. Next condition, this is sum of product of the roots taken true at a time, that is called c by a. So this is we can consider for c by a. This is sum of product of the roots taken 3 at a time, but minus, isn't it? Minus a4 by a1. This is called minus d by a. Last condition is there. This is e by a, isn't it? Last one taken 4 at a time, isn't it? Taken 4 at a time means this is called e by a. So now what we need to find out actually sum of the square. So sum of the square means, listen, sum of the square. Sum of the square means alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta the whole square means, what is the formula? That is a plus b plus c plus d the whole square means alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square plus true of alpha beta, then beta gamma, then gamma delta, isn't it? Gamma delta, gamma delta. Next one alpha gamma, again alpha delta, then beta delta, isn't it? 6 times is there now, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So what we need to find out the sum of this square. நமக்கு தேவையானது இந்த டேம் தேவை. அப்போ இதை எப்படி எடுப்போம் பாருங்க. இப்போ sum of product of the roots taken 1 at a time நமக்கு வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சிருந்தோம். taken 1 at a time என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம்? minus b by a. அடுத்தது இந்த கண்டிஷன் வந்துட்டு sum of product of the roots taken true at a time we found this one, isn't it? What is the value? c by a. இப்போ நமக்கு தேவையானது minus b by a யும் c by a யும் தேவை, isn't it? இப்போ alpha plus beta plus alpha plus இது c a the whole square போடும்போது எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? minus b by a the whole square is equal to alpha square beta square gamma square delta square plus true into taken true at a time sum of product c by a, c by a. Therefore இப்போ நமக்கு இந்த கண்டிஷன் தேவை. bring out opposite side means alpha square beta square gamma square plus delta square is equal to அந்த சைடு கொண்டு போகும்போது ஸ்கொயரை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு b square by a square. இப்போ இது if you bring out opposite side means minus will come. இப்போ கண்டிப்பாக வந்துட்டு என்னாகும் பாருங்கள், இந்த சைடு கொண்டு போய் என்ன ஆயிரும் பாருங்கள், இது டோட்டல் டேமே இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வந்துருக்கும். அப்போ ப்ளஸ் ஆகிட்டு தான் இங்கே வரும். இது அந்த சைடு கொண்டு போகும்போது minus 2c by a. If you take common denominator a square means what will happen? b square. Again a squareலேருந்து ஒரு a கேன்சல் ஆகும். அப்போ நியூமரேட்டரில் what will happen? minus 2ac. அப்போ நமக்கு கிடைக்கக்கூடிய ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர் sum of the square alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. இதுதான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். sum of the square is equal to b square minus 2ac divided by a square. இதுதான் நமக்கு தேவையான ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர். ஓகே, so one of the important 5 mark questions. So please listen my dear students. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. And one more points, if you need more information, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell button. Whenever I post a new video, you will receive the notification. Then another one important point, so please give me your valuable feedback. I am ready to rectify my mistake if I did. Okay, thanks to viewers. We will continue our next video. Bye bye.